Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will try to integrate that problem in front of us. And if I look at that problem, whenever you see that the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, forget about the long division. All we have to think about integration by decomposition into partial fraction. And this is what I'm gonna be doing here. But before doing that, I realized that I can factor out x to the power of 3 in my denominator. So let's do that first, and then we do the decomposition. So that integral become integral of x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 plus 2 dx. And now I can decompose it into partial fraction. So let's copy it here without the integral. We decompose it and then we add the integral. Minus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 plus 2 is equal a divided by x plus b divided by x squared plus c divided by x to the power of 3 plus dx plus e divided by x squared plus 2. Now, if you don't know how I came with this decomposition, I have a video. I will put the link in my description so you can click off it. And in that video you can see you can learn how to decompose it, and I will paste the link here. That's the link. It's okay. Okay, you know what? Let's paste it here. That is the link of the video, but I will put it in my description. So now let's continue with this. All what I have to do now is take the right hand side of my equality and do it into a common denominator. So I will have, let's copy this first, x4 minus x3 plus x2 minus 2 divided by x3 x to the power of 3. I'm trying to write small because I don't have a lot of space to write everything. Yeah, this is x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2 plus 2. And all that is equal to, like if I divide x by the denominator that is here, I would have x squared times x2 plus 2. So I multiply my a by x squared times x squared plus 2, and if I divide my b by that denominator, I would have b times x squared plus 2, and my c will become c times x squared plus 2. I think you know how to do it now, or you knew before even, plus dx plus e multiplied by x to the power of 3, and all that divided by x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 plus 2. Because I have the same denominator on both sides of the equality, I can take out the denominator. So my x4 minus x3 plus x squared minus 2, let's develop the right hand side. Ax squared times x squared is ax to the power of 4, and ax squared times 2, it become 2ax squared. Trying to save space here and it's biting me. Okay. Okay, and bx times x squared, it becomes bx to the power of 3 plus bx to the power of 3 plus 2bx plus cx squared plus 2c plus dx to the power of 4 plus ex to the power of 3. Now let's factor out the one with the same variable. So let's write x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 is equal. And I have a and d with x to the power of 4. So it becomes a plus d times x to the power of 4. And let's take them out. And then I want to factor the x to the power of 3. And here I have b and e with x to the power of 3. So it becomes b plus e times x to the power of 3. And let's take them out. And I want to factor out the power of 2. I have 2a, which is here, with x to the power of 2, and plus c. Plus c times x to the power of 2. And to the power of x, I only have 2 times bx plus 2bx. And without x, I only have 2c plus 2c. Now I look at my left-hand side of my equality. Here, the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is 1, and the coefficient of x to the power of 4 on the left-hand side is a plus d. So I can say a plus d is equal to 1. And the coefficient of x3 on the left-hand side is minus 1. And the coefficient of x3 on the right-hand side is b plus e. So I say b plus e is equal to minus 1. And again, the coefficient of x2 is 1. So I have 2a plus c is equal to 1. And on the left-hand side, I don't have x to the power of 1. So from the right-hand side, I can say that 2bx is equal to 0 because it does not exist on the left-hand side. And without x, like the constant, I have minus 2 here and 2c here. So I know that 2c is equal to minus 2. From that, I can deduct that my c is equal to minus 1. And from this, I can deduct that my b is equal to 0. Sorry, I did a mistake here. I should not have wrote the x. And because c is equal minus 1, I can replace here c by minus 1. I would have 2a minus 1 equal to 1. So that gives me 2a is equal to 2. That means a equal to 1. So let's put that so we can see it at the end. And I have b plus e is equal to minus 1. And I know that b is equal to 0. So here, that would give me that e is equal to minus 1. And I have a plus d is equal 1. But I know that a is equal to 1. So 1 plus d is equal to 1. So that means my d is equal to 0. Perfect. And now let's replace my a, b, c, d, e with their value in that equation that I wrote here. So my x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 divided by x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 plus 2 is equal. Now I replace the a. I know the a is equal to 1. So it's equal 1 divided by x. And the b that is here, and b is equal to 0 plus 0 divided by x squared. And my c is equal to minus 1 here. So minus 1 divided by x to the power of 3. And my d is equal to 0 and my e is equal to minus 1. So that would give me minus 1 divided by x squared plus 2. And if I want to study the integral of this dx, I have to study the integral of all that dx. So now let's work with the right hand side of my equation. It becomes integral of 1 over x dx plus integral of 0 times dx divided by x squared. But I know 0 times dx is 0, divided by x squared is 0, and the integral of 0 is 0. Minus 1, integral of 1 divided by x to the power of 3, but I want to save time. I will write it directly minus 1 x to the power minus 3 dx and minus 1 over x squared plus 2 dx. And so let's do the integral now. I know the integral of 1 divided by x is ln of x. I will put the plus c at the end, and this is plus 0 minus the integral of x to the power of minus 3 is x to the power minus 4 divided by minus 4. And let's do that now. I know that there is a formula, integral of 1 divided by x2 plus 1 is equal to arctan of x. But here I have the 2 that is here is bothering me. Let's factor it out. So minus 1 divided by, if I factor out the 2, I will have x2 divided by 2 plus 1. Yeah? But my formula is x to the power of 2, not x to the power of 2 divided by 2. So I can make it x to the power of 2 divided by 2. So it's equal, the 1/2 I can take it outside my integral, 1 divided x divided by square root of 2 square plus 1 dx. And that would be equal 1 minus 1/2 arc tan of x divided by square root of x, the square root of 2. Plus c, I said I will put the plus c at the end. So my integral here of x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 dx divided by x5 plus 2x is equal, the ln of n here, I'll put it, it's ln of x plus 0, I'm not gonna put it, minus, minus divided by minus is plus. So 1 over 4 x to the power of 4, because I brought down the x to the power of minus 4, so it becomes x to the power of 4, and then minus 1/2 arc tan of x divided by square root of 2 plus c. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. It would really help me. And if you put a like, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening. I will do more videos for you, but I need an encouragement. I need more subscription. I need more like. Otherwise, YouTube won't pay me. Thanks.